Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. They are I think a US based company that does the full crystal rhinestone diamond paintings. Oh yeah, and here's the image I got. It's this pretty flower image. Yes, you might have noticed my preference for some flowered diamond painting. So it seems like they shipped it directly in the box for the diamond painting. So maybe if I had bought more than one, they would have shipped it in another box. But this seems to be the original box the diamond painting came from. So this is a full rhinestone kit. There's nothing else in the box. The canvas is a little stiff, not my favorite kind, because I prefer that the canvas will just lay flat right away, because I'm impatient. But as long as it'll flatten eventually, I'll be happy. Yeah, see, it's still not laying flat. But yeah, here it is. It's a 40 by 40. Let's see. Is it 40 by 40? Yep, that's 40. And that's 40. Alright. So it is true to size. This is a full rhinestone diamond painting. You may have noticed that I've been getting really into the full rhinestone kits. And what's great is this does ship from the US. There is no shipping. So this actually was on sale and I got this for $17.50. And what was great is you didn't have to pay for shipping, at least in the US. I don't know if they ship outside of the US and how much it costs. So it looks like they have one of these weird rectangle trays. If you've never seen them before, they kind of have this thing where it says 2.8 millimeters on one side and 2.5 millimeters on the other side, because squares are 2.5 millimeters and rounds are 2.8. I wouldn't use this really because the sides are so low that if you shook this, it'd just be like, pfft. But it's a different kind of tray. So if you never tried it, then it might be something you like. For me, no. But yeah, otherwise basic toolkit with some tweezers. But yeah. It does look like, okay, so this diamond painting does have 30 colors. It looks like the legend is pretty much numbers and letters and just a few symbols here, which I think is great. Let's see. It does look like they do have white symbols for the dark background. And there's no guide circles, and I think everything looks, it looks clear. So this is light pad, no light pad needed, which is great. They don't have DMC codes, but there is like a color code here, which I don't know what it is, but I would have preferred to have this with DMC codes. I mean, I guess if you buy several from Crystal Canvas Art Designs, I'm guessing their codes will match each other. But if anyone knows of a conversion chart between these colors and the DMC colors, be great to know. But yeah, I think this will turn out really good. Like, oh, and did I say that this is, okay, so I don't know if I said it, but this is called The Garden by Robin Mead. So I don't know if that means that this is licensed with Robin Mead, but if it is, I think it's awesome that the price for this is not expensive. Like, I understand the need to increase prices because of licensing with artists, but this is just, it's the same price as all their other diamond paintings that are the same size. So I think a lot of their other diamond paintings are just stock images, but But this, yeah, no, this looks really, really good. If this turns out good, I think I might buy more. Especially, I think I like the pictures done by Robin Mead. They're my type of pictures with the vibrant colors and with the flowers. So yeah, if this turns out well, I might buy more from them. The reason I bought from Crystal Canvas Art Designs is I had done the succulent picture with rhinestones that I got from QLUO. And then I saw on another YouTube channel, I think it was DP Art Addiction, maybe DP Art Addiction Adventures. I forgot. But she did the same succulent picture from Crystal Canvas Designs, and I think Crystal Canvas Art Designs, and I think hers turned out a little bit more detailed than the one I got from QLUO. So I decided to try a diamond painting from Crystal Canvas Art, and if this turns out good, then I might buy more. But yep, there's my unboxing for the one diamond painting. Well, thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye! Of course, I don't know how to press stop. Bye!